wish to introduce two kind of new concepts, because everything now is smart. We talk today about smart alert and smart metering. Why? Because smart alert means an information, online information for people in case of catastrophe of everything, bad situation. And another concept, the second one, it's smart metering. Why? Because if we talk about a smart city, I think we think that we have to talk about smart utility consumption. The emergency management generated by food, dangerous meteorological phenomena, accidents, accidental pollution, it's global an activity of national interest, and it's also a vital obligation of government all over the world to warn the people about this public catastrophe caused by nature, technical failure, and of course war. Another very important is that the value of saved lives and property will allow far outweigh the cost of public warning system. Why Rokura? Because we have 20 years experience in various industries. Our project started with design and finished with implementing. If you talk about public warning system, it's a turnkey project in fact, and that means for our client we can assure that every element of our offering complies with a stringent management system. General Inspectorate of Emergency Situation, it's in fact our client ensures data acquisition and cooperation between all structures involved in monitoring this factor. They are responsible for real-time support, for manage the logistic support, but of course automation in transmitting messages notice of civil protection. This is a structure of emergency situation. It's a flow chart of emergency situation. We can talk about General Inspectorate of Emergency Situation, who will manage all emergency situations. And information came here from local dispatcher. For example, we have Electrica. We'll talk later about it. A central dispatcher, and of course, local dispatcher will manage, will control all sirens located in this area. In the following, we'll present three kind of projects related to national integrated monitoring, informing, and public warning system. One is Hydroelectrica. It's a national integrated early warning system. Another one is a radiation monitoring system based on Orcom satellite network, like the communication platform. And the last one is a advanced system for monitoring and transportation of dangerous waste on the territory in Romane or Vaciu. About public warning system, the requirement for public warning system now have changed. Why? Because now we must talk about independent of electricity. When something happened, the first who will be done is power supply, and another one is live voice. Rokura public warning system must notify the control center about potential dangerous events, alarm the population, of course, and after that address voice messages, live voice or pre-recorded messages.